Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I'll talk about this particular Samsung original 25 watt Type-C travel adapter without cable. It's unboxing as I have purchased this from Amazon, okay, and whose price is 1198 right now, okay. So this is that particular thing I have purchased from Amazon, and right now I'll unbox it in front of you guys, okay, to see what is the thing inside it, okay. So let us unbox it to see. This is the particular 25 watt Samsung original adapter, power adapter, okay. So now if I completely open it, what is inside the thing is that I have to bring all these things out of the box, okay. Inside the box there is nothing, okay. There is some paperwork, okay, and the paperwork is like that. So there are some instructions or other things has been written clearly, what to do, what not to do, like that. And these things are common in other phones or other electronic gadgets. This is there. And now the particular adapter is this one, the 25 watt power adapter. This is for the Indian market, and see over here this particular plug over here. So this is the thing, okay. So this is for Samsung India, and the part number is IS 23252 for part number 1, okay. This is the BIS standard. As per bis.gov.in, they have to maintain this particular standard, otherwise no electronic products will be marketable in India, okay. So this is the thing, and this particular charger will support a Type-C cable over here, okay. And the boxing was like this, okay. So this is the unboxing process, okay. Thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your time. And if you like this video, please press the like button on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for your watching.